Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn fitness tips and tricks for computer users. Let's start. Many of us spend hours on a computer without giving much thought to its adverse impact on your bodies. Improper posture and alignment can put a lifelong strain on our neck, shoulder, chest, upper and lower back as well as other body parts. Seated twist pose. The seated twist pose stretches the neck, shoulders, chest, upper and lower back that get stiff by working on a computer for long hours. Step 1. Sit comfortably on a chair. Step 2. Place your right hand on your left knee and your left arm over the back of your chair. Step 3. Turn and look over your left shoulder and hold the pose for 4 breaths. Notice the stretch in your spine with each inhalation and your body relaxing into the twisting position with each exhalation. Step 4. Exhale back to a neutral position and repeat on the other side. Thanks for watching my video.